Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure real estate with Keller Williams, full guide step by step clearly. To secure real estate with Keller Williams, begin by understanding the company's philosophy and values. Research Keller Williams to familiarize yourself with their achievements and market position. Identify your real estate goals and clarify what you seek in a property. Find a Keller Williams office near you and visit their website for more resources. Connect with a local Keller Williams agent who specializes in your desired market. Schedule a consultation to discuss your goals, preferences, and budget. Be prepared to provide your agent with details about your financial situation and credit history. Explore different types of properties that fit your needs, including residential, commercial, or investment options. Utilize Keller Williams tools and technology to streamline your property search. Ask your agent about available listings that meet your criteria. Take the time to visit properties for sale and attend open houses. Evaluate each property based on location, condition, amenities, and price. Once you find a property you like, discuss it with your agent to gather insights. Determine a fair offer price based on market analysis and property condition. Your agent will help you draft an official purchase agreement. Submit your offer and be prepared for potential negotiations with the seller. Stay in close communication with your agent throughout the negotiation process. If your offer is accepted, prepare for the next steps in the purchasing process. Schedule a home inspection to identify any existing issues with the property. Review the inspection report and discuss any concerns with your agent. Coordinate with your agent to finalize your financing options. Secure your mortgage pre-approval if you haven't done so already. Provide all necessary documentation to your lender to expedite the approval process. Once financing is in place, work with your agent to complete closing documents. Attend the closing meeting to sign the necessary paperwork. After closing, ensure the transfer of keys and legal ownership. Celebrate your new investment and community engagement. Continue utilizing Keller Williams resources for any future real estate needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.